the day I fought a Roomba. So, my friend got a Roomba, and I, being a fully functioning adult, decided to challenge it to a duel. It all started when I dropped a Dorito on the floor. Before I could pick it up, the Roomba sprang to life like a tiny robotic predator. I tried to grab the chip, but it sucked it up like a greedy little gremlin. "Oh, you want to play?" I muttered. I placed another Dorito down as bait. The Roomba hesitated, calculating its next move. The second it rolled forward, I lunged, only to stub my toe on the couch and fall face first onto the carpet. Now I'm groaning in pain, and the Roomba, sensing victory, casually bumps into my head like it's asserting dominance. My friend walked in at that exact moment, sighed, and said, "This is why you don't have nice things." The Roomba is now my mortal enemy. And yes, I still lost my Dorito.